This product is becoming a fever among housewives. What you are looking for is here. Stay with me until the end of the video, you will be surprised. Before teaching you, tell me below the city where you are watching this video. To start, put the peels of 4 lemons and 500 milliliters of water in the blender. Let's beat this all up really well. After this recipe, you will never throw away lemon zest again. Now that we've beaten it, in a bowl, I'm going to put a sieve here. Let's sift through all this, because we're only going to need the liquid. Next, I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of bicarbonate here. Mix very well until the chemical reaction takes place. And look how it turned out. Let's add now, alcohol. Alcohol to exhale the smell. You can put 80 to 100 milliliters of 70% alcohol. After that, let's add salt. Salt is used to preserve our product. It will keep for a lot longer when you add salt. And here, folks, I'm putting on the washing powder. 1 tablespoon of powdered soap. Just mix everything really well. Now let's put it inside a bottle, with the help of a funnel. I made 500 milliliters, because I like it very viscous, but you can double the recipe if you want. I covered it and I'll show you how to use it. You can use it on the floor of your house to pass cloth. It will make your floor shine and it will have a wonderful citrusy lemon scent. You can use it on the bench. It will clean your countertop and scare away all the mosquitoes and flies that stay in your kitchen. And in the bathroom, that's where we use it the most. You will flush it down the toilet and scrub as usual, then just rinse. You can also put it down the drain in the bathroom and in your kitchen. This will avoid those mosquitoes that come out of the drain, because of the lemon smell. And today's message is in Psalms chapter 23 verse 6, "Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord long days." You don't go to fight alone. God is with you, protecting you and helping you to overcome all difficulties. Thanks for your company. Until the next video. Goodbye.